Hello visionaries. Welcome to Not Just AI, your gateway to the future. Are you ready to dive deep into the AI marvels of 2024? This isn't just about technology, it's about a revolution. Stick around as we unveil the top predictions that will dramatically reshape our world. Welcome back, visionaries. Today, we're on the brink of a new era, where artificial intelligence transforms every aspect of our lives, from the way we learn and heal to the way we commute and interact with the world around us. If you're as excited as we are about exploring these frontiers, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and join us on this extraordinary journey. Kicking off our list is Nvidia, and hold on to your hats because they're not just jumping, they're leaping into new skies. Yes, the GPU powerhouse is now setting its sights sky high into cloud computing. Brace yourselves, 2024 might be the year Nvidia turns the cloud computing world upside down. Nvidia's shifting gears big time, from ruling the gaming universe to potentially dominating cloud services. They're unleashing their GPU prowess to transform cloud computing. It's like watching a tech wizard wave a magic wand. With their cutting-edge GPUs, Nvidia's stepping into a realm where gaming meets enterprise, and cloud computing gets a turbocharged AI boost. Think of it. Blisteringly fast medical diagnostics revolutionizing healthcare, autonomous vehicles smarter than ever cruising our streets, all turbocharged by Nvidia's cloud computing. And it doesn't stop there. Nvidia's cloud power could lead to breakthroughs in AI research, supercharging everything from language processing to virtual reality experiences. This leap means more than just fancy tech. It's about bringing powerhouse AI capabilities to businesses, big and small, and even into our homes. Imagine small businesses harnessing AI for real-time analytics, or students accessing high-level computing for their projects. Nvidia is democratizing AI, making it more accessible to everyone. To sum it up, Nvidia's bold move into the cloud is more than just a shift in business strategy. It's a monumental leap into the future of AI and cloud computing, blending the lines between high-tech gaming and enterprise solutions. With this leap, Nvidia is not just changing the game, they're creating a whole new playground in the sky. It's not just a tech leap, it's a skydive into a future where the cloud is king and Nvidia wears the crown. Who knew the cloud could be this exciting? Now let's turn the page to a somewhat suspenseful chapter in the AI saga with Stability AI. Brace yourselves for a twist in the tale. In the unfolding drama of 2024, Stability AI, the renowned virtuoso of AI-generated art, might find itself on a bumpy path. Once hailed as the Picasso of the digital realm, Stability AI's future now hangs in the balance, teetering on the edge of uncertainty. They've been the maestros, painting the canvas of the digital world with AI, but now there's a chance they might have to bid adieu to their digital palettes. This unexpected turn could ignite a revolution in how AI intersects with creativity, possibly rewriting the rules of digital artistry. It's not just about the art, it's about the innovation. The potential exit of Stability AI could pave the way for new players, new ideas, and a fresh perspective on the fusion of AI and art. This scenario serves as a crucial wake-up call, nudging AI enterprises towards more sustainable, ethical, and resilient business models. It's a chance for the AI community to reflect, reassess, and reinvent, ensuring that the marriage of technology and creativity stands the test of time and ethics. As we watch the story of Stability AI unfold, it's a narrative that teaches us all a lesson about the fragility of success in the tech world and the ever-present need to evolve and ethically anchor ourselves in the face of change. So, what's next for Stability AI? Will they reinvent themselves, or will they become a cautionary tale? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the world of AI art will never be the same again. Next up in our AI Odyssey of 2024, we're diving into the heart of a community-driven revolution in AI. Get ready for a world where sharing isn't just caring, it's revolutionizing. The AI landscape is on the brink of a seismic shift, with open-source AI models emerging as the new rock stars. Imagine a world where the once closely guarded secrets of AI are now open for everyone to see, learn from, and improve upon. 2024 could be the year this becomes our new reality. The era of AI exclusivity is fading away, making room for an era of unprecedented collaboration and openness. This shift means that AI development is no longer the playground of just the big players. Now, anyone from a bedroom coder to a tech giant can contribute to the AI evolution. The democratization of AI technology brings a buffet of benefits, from leveling the playing field for startups to fostering global innovation. It's not just about making AI more accessible, it's about enriching the AI ecosystem with a plethora of perspectives and talents, leading to more robust and responsible AI solutions. Open source AI models aren't just a fleeting trend, they're heralding a new age of inclusivity and innovation in AI development. It's a rally cry for community-driven tech growth. As we step into this new era, the message is clear. The future of AI is open, collaborative, and bursting with potential. Stick with us as we continue to explore the exciting and ever-evolving world of AI in 2024. What other breakthroughs will we witness? Let's find out together here on Not Just AI. Coming up next in our AI predictions for 2024, we're slicing into the world of APIs, making AI as easy to access as pie. Yes, get your forks ready for the API revolution that's baking in the tech oven. APIs are gearing up to transform AI from a high-tech luxury to an everyday utility, accessible to everyone from the corner cafe to global powerhouses. AI's exclusivity is being shattered as it flutters out of the iron grip of tech giants, spreading its wings across the business landscape. Picture this: your local boutique offering fashion advice powered by AI, or a family-run bakery personalizing your order, all made possible by easy-to-use AI APIs. And it's not just about personalization. Small and medium enterprises can leverage AI for everything from optimizing logistics to predicting market trends, giving them a competitive edge. API-driven AI is set to level the business playing field like never before, breaking down barriers to tech innovation and enabling a wave of creativity across industries. And there you have it, folks. The world of business is about to get a whole lot smarter and more connected thanks to API-driven AI. From startups to giants, everyone's getting a piece of the AI pie. Remember, the future of AI is as exciting as it is unpredictable. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be a delicious ride. And now, for our grand finale in the AI predictions of 2024, let's dive into how AI is set to enchant and transform our daily lives. Get ready for a year that's bound to be tech-tacular. AI is on the brink of becoming an indispensable part of our everyday routines, evolving into our personal assistant, lifestyle coach, and so much more. Think of AI as the new member of the family, always there to help, advise, and even entertain. From waking you up in the morning to organising your schedule, AI's got it all covered. We're witnessing AI's seamless integration into everything from our living rooms to our fields. It's making smart homes smarter and revolutionising traditional sectors like agriculture. Imagine AI managing traffic flows in our cities, making commutes smoother. Or our homes, where AI anticipates our needs, adjusting lighting and temperature just the way we like it. And it's not just about comfort. AI could be the key to solving complex urban challenges, like optimising public transport and enhancing public safety, making our cities not only smarter, but safer. With AI, we're looking at a future where personalised healthcare is at our fingertips, and where our hobbies and interests are enhanced by intuitive tech support. In 2024, AI is not just a tool, it's a lifestyle enhancer, making every aspect of our lives more enjoyable, efficient, and tailored to our needs. The future is here, and it's smarter than ever. And that wraps up our journey through the top AI predictions for 2024. It's clear that AI is not just transforming technology. It's weaving itself into the very fabric of our daily existence, bringing a touch of magic to the mundane. And there you have it, the top 5 AI predictions for 2024. The future of AI is not just about technological advancements, it's about how these innovations will transform our world and daily lives. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Not Just AI for more fascinating content. Stay tuned and stay curious as we continue to explore the wonders of technology.